Dear students and respectable parents, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying best of your health. Dear students, yesterday we read paragraph number 2 and 3. I asked some questions to you. I hope that you will have known the answers to them. Dear students, as usual, first of all we will drill the keywords. The first word is progeny. Progeny. Privilege. Privilege. Custody. Custody. Pilgrims. Pilgrims. Judgment. Judgment. Burden. Burden. Hereafter. Hereafter. Not. Not. Yes. Dear students, open your books on page 3. We are going to read paragraph number 4. All mankind is the progeny of Adam. Progeny of Adam, children of Adam, Adam alayhi salam ki aulad. Adam was created out of clay. Adam was created out of clay. मट्टी से बने थे. आदम अलैहिस्सलाम मट्टी से बने थे. Behold, every claim of privilege, every claim of privilege, advantage or supremacy, superiority, every claim of superiority, whether that of proper blood or property, is under my heels. Under my heels, that came to an end. They are eliminated, except but that of the custody of the Kaaba and supplying of water to pilgrims. आप अलैहिस्सलाम के इरशाद का मफ़हूम है कि सारे इम्तियाज़ात ख़त्म हो गए, सारी बर्तरियाँ ख़त्म. अगर किसी को कोई बर्तरी का एहसास है तो वो कस्टडी ऑफ द काबा, काबे की गार्डियनशिप, निगहबानी, एंड सप्लाइंग ऑफ वाटर टू द पिलग्रिम्स, हाजियों को पानी पिलाना बड़ी नेकी है. ओ पीपल ऑफ कुरैश, डोंट अपीयर ऑन द डे ऑफ जजमेंट विद द बर्डन ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड अराउंड योर नेक. डे ऑफ जजमेंट, रोज़े क़यामत. बर्डन ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड, गुनाहों का बोझ, अराउंड योर नेक, गर्दनों पर लाद करना. ओ पीपल ऑफ कुरैश, डोंट अपीयर, डोंट कम ऑन द डे ऑफ जजमेंट, आखिरी रोज़ क़यामत के दिन, विद द बर्डन ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड अराउंड योर नेक, अपनी गर्दनों पर इस दुनिया का बोझ लेकर मत आना. Whereas other people may appear before the Lord with the rewards of the hereafter. In that case, I shall avail you not against Allah. Now there rises a question. There is a question for you boys. Whose is the progeny of all mankind? Whose is the progeny of all mankind? Very simple question. All mankind is the progeny of Adam and the Eve. Dear students, now we start reading paragraph number 5. Behold, all practices of the days of ignorance, the time before Islam, are now under my feet. I cancel, I eliminate all practices of the days are now under my feet. आप अलैहिस्सलाम ने इस्लाम से पहले ज़माने के सारे अमाल ख़त्म फरमा दिए, सारे जो गुनाह हुए थे उनके बारे में। द ब्लड रिवेंजेस ऑफ द डेज ऑफ इग्नोरेंस आर रिमिटेड। ब्लड रिवेंजेस कत्ल गारत, खून रेजी, डेज ऑफ इग्नोरेंस आर रिमिटेड। ज़माने जाहलियत के सारे खून रेजियाँ आर रिमिटेड, कैंसल्ड, एलिमिनेटेड, ख़त्म कर दी। द फर्स्ट क्लेम ऑन ब्लड आई एबॉलिश इज़ दैट of Ibn Rabi'a bin Harith. I abolish, I cancel, I finish, I eliminate, I eradicate the claim on blood. उनका दावा हारिस इब्न रबिया बिन हारिस के, who was nursed in the tribe of Saad and whom the Hudaliyas killed. All interest and usurious dues, Sudi Mamlat, occurring from the times of ignorance, stand wiped out, cancelled, eradicated, and the first amount of interest that I remit, I cancel, is that which Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib had to receive. Verily, it is remitted entirely. It is cancelled totally. Okay students, now there is another question. Now there is another question for you. Whose interest was remitted by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Whose interest was remitted by the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Very easy question. The interest of Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib was remitted by the Rasul Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay students, we completed paragraph number 5. Now as usual, you will read paragraph 4 and 5 times and learn the spelling of difficult words with their meanings. We will meet inshallah tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.